younger, I'd watch all the older dancers and then just kind of like study, and then I'd go to powwows, and I'd just, ever in a tribal, I'd be out there dancing, trying different moves and seeing what I could do. But ever since I was young, I love dancing. I still do to this day. Something that makes me happy because I'm just out there dancing. Some of us make our own outfits, and then some of us make our own dance sticks. I made my dance stick, and I made my bustle. And I'm slowly getting more feathers for my top, so I'll be putting more feathers on my hat. This is a breastplate. It's made out of bone. My grandma made it, and when I got it, I was pretty stoked that I got it. Pretty nice. Spiritually, after I get done dancing, I feel better. Feels like weight's been lifted off of me.